Good morning. 2:33. Morning. Bye guys. See you after 12 hours. Ay, may naiyak dito. Mana sa anak niya. No! No! Hello everybody. Kauwi ko lang. Kumain na ako. Wala na yung lipstick. Pero ito yung makeup ko. Yung makeup late kasi ako nagising kanina. Medyo late lang. Pero on time for the bus, diba? Katapos lang namin manood ng Aldab. Buti na lang, peki ang pastor. Hindi na tuloy ang kasal. Affected ang mag-ama ko. Pero now, they're happy na. Si Memes. What else? Yun lang. It was a busy day for me. Muntik-muntik ko pa magkamali sa work. Pero eventually, I have good friends who help me out, diba? You get by with help from your friends. Well, just came back ako. Oh, you're right, Krisha. Kasi yung video nga, hindi ko na-review yon. Pinabayaan ko lang mag-upload and I was so sleepy, diba? I have to wake up 2:30 today in the morning. So, yeah. I love your comment. At least you're honest para I could produce a better video next time. Maraming salamat. So, mamaya na lang ulit, guys. Good night, everybody. Nakikita yung ano. Sige, end na rin namin yung vlog namin. Sabi, papasok na mamaya-maya and I will go to sleep. I will edit konti para may mapanood tomorrow. Thank you sa mga bagong sisi na nagko-comment sa video ko. Hi! Good night ka na.
Good night. Good night.
Ayan po, pasensyahan niyo na po yan. Busy siya.
Good night.
Affected yan kasi feeling ko si Frankie yung gusto niya. Si Frankie sa tingin ko yung gusto niya. Imagine. Bye-bye guys! God bless everybody! Miss you, Munchkins! Bye-bye!